Are you a fan of first-person shooters? Today, we'll show you how to download and play Standoff 2 on your PC. Get ready for realistic graphics and dynamic gameplay. First, let's ensure your system meets the requirements. For Windows, you need at least 4 GB of RAM, 2 GB of free disk space, and a DirectX 11 compatible GPU. Mac and Linux users, similar specs apply. One of the easiest ways to play Standoff 2 on PC is by using an Android emulator. Popular choices include BlueStacks and Nox Player. Download and install your preferred emulator from their official website. Once installed, open the emulator and sign in with your Google account. Search for Standoff 2 in the Play Store, download, and install. Launch the game, and you're all set. Alternatively, you can use cloud gaming services like GeForce Now or Vortex. These platforms allow you to stream games directly to your PC without the need for high-end hardware. Sign up for the service, search for Standoff 2, and start playing instantly. This method is perfect if you have a stable internet connection and want to save on storage space. Another option is to use third-party solutions like GameLoop. Download and install GameLoop from its official site. Open the platform, search for Standoff 2, and follow the prompts to install and play the game. These third-party solutions often come optimized for gaming, providing better performance and additional features. Now that you have Standoff 2 up and running, let's dive into some gameplay tips. Focus on map awareness, keep your crosshair at head level, and practice your aim regularly. Use grenades strategically to flush out opponents, and always communicate with your team for better coordination. That's it for today's guide on how to download and play Standoff 2 on PC. Enjoy the game, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials.